get me some 10W30. This really lubricates.
Lubricates?
Yeah. You need to get a bigger car.
Bigger back seat?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll make sure.
Oh yeah, big back.
Bro, they all roll together, coach. That's GTI? Yeah, that turbo. Yeah, turbo. Bro, that's what my.
His car.
White Mustang.
Dude, his gas.
Nah, that color
gas tank's open too.
Over there, I like that better.
Oh, look at it, Tacoma. Holy.
That is
That.
That's a 6-cylinder. Try that with 6-cylinder.
Hey, what was in that?
my God.
Water. You see that?
Oh, he put water in it?
He
That's
needs
too
water.
hot.
He needs like a freaking gallon of water.
What?
I bet you it's
To
too
cool
hot.
down his engine after all that.
I think it's like smoking.
He was asking people for
It's like
water.
smoking.
That shit had smoke.
Dude, that shit was. This is nice. Look at the white.
People are leaving because the cops are gonna come.
Not cranking.
That's so unnecessarily loud for a piece of shit.
Alright guys, I just got back from PDQ. Yeah, my drink's about half done and I just got back. So let's see. I haven't been filming as much as I usually do this past week. And I feel bad about it because I haven't been getting videos out. This is only like my second or third time having PDQ. Look at that, solid chicken sandwich right there. My stepdad and I are gonna be making a podcast starting probably next week, hopefully. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this. I don't even know what the video is gonna be. But whatever the video is, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead, smash the like button. See you next time.